how to the style of one photo can be given to another photo. This is our main photo and this is a reference style photo. First, open the photo you want to style in Photoshop. Now, go to Filters, then click on Neural Filters. Now, select the Style Transfer and click on the icon next to it. Next, click the Custom button. Click the Browse icon here. Choose the artistic picture of your choice. My images are in JPG format, so I will select JPG from here. Now, use this image button. Done. Now click on the OK button. This is the previous photo and this is the final artistic photo. Thanks for watching the video.